Okay.
So now we are going through Cvsl logic. Okay. Cvsl logic is cascade voltage switch logic, in which this is the general diagram. We use two P MOSFETs, and gate of both the P MOSFETs are connected to the output. So this is the output of the Q. This Q, which is output, it is connected to the gate of one MOSFET, P MOSFET, and this is Q bar output. This is one more output. So in Cvsl logic, we get two outputs, Q and Q bar. Okay. I think I had explained this is used in this may be used in flip-flops. So Q and Q bar is Q bar that is connected to this gate of this MOSFET, P MOSFET. So ಎರಡು outputs they are connected to the gates of both the P MOSFETs. Okay, and what about NMOS combinational network? PMOS ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. You take any design, ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ PMOS ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. This is common, right? And NMOS what we do, we draw our normal NMOS, which is drawn here. So this circuit is for AB plus C into D plus E. AB plus C into D plus E. Our question is answer. Okay. So either the NMOS logic we draw as it is. But along with that, so either the output that output will be of either the output that will be of, and along with this circuit, one more parallel circuit will be there. Either logic either in logic NMOS na main principle other the exact opposite you have to draw here. So NMOS increases, PMOS increases, NMOS increases A B series like this. PMOS increases from parallel. The same thing here. Okay, but important thing to note is A and B are not as it is. A becomes A bar, B becomes B bar, C becomes C bar, D becomes D bar, E becomes C bar. Okay. Again, NMOS logic we will draw one more parallel structure which is complementary of this structure. Okay. PMOS logic we will draw it, and A bar, B bar inputs will be complemented. Structure is also complemented, inputs are also complemented, therefore output is also complemented. So F signal and F bar signal. So I get F here I get F bar. So output of this will be F bar, output of this will be F. Just like Q and Q bar. If F is 1, F bar will be 0. If F bar is 1, F will be 0. Okay. How it functions? A circuit hang work ಆಗ್ತದ. So to understand that, okay, let us imagine that all the MOSFETs here are on. Imagine you will just assume that all the MOSFETs here, left hand side, are on. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? On ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ on ಆಗ್ತದೆ. What will be the output of this structure? On ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 0. This is on, so 0 is, this is 0. ಹೌದಾ? So ಎರಡು on ಅಂದರೆ 0 is connected to this point. ಈ point is 0 connected to this on ಅಂದರೆ. So this 0 is connected here, which is connected here, and what is here? F is 0. F is 0. In the same way, now F is 0. Okay, I have assumed initially that all the MOSFETs are on. On ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ on ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ? When all the inputs are 1, A, B, C, D, E, all are 1s, then all the MOSFETs are on. All the NMOS are on. ಹೌದಾ? And ಹಂಗಿದ್ದಾಗ this part will be off. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ MOSFETs off ಇರ್ತಾವ. A1 ಇದ್ರೆ A bar 0, B1 ಇದ್ರೆ B bar 0. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ NMOS will be off. So this side it is completely off. This side it is completely on. Correct? Any matter then to next I am getting the output F as 0. I am getting the output F as 0. That F in fact is shorted to or is connected to this MOSFET, P MOSFET. So R0 is one of the therefore that F or that 0 is going to the input of this P MOSFET. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ P MOSFET on or off? P MOSFET 0 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ on or off? On. So when this is on, VDD is shorted to F bar. So F bar is 1. What is F for? 0. Therefore I said we get the complemented output. F 0 sigma, F bar 1 sigma. And these are completely off. These are completely off. Okay. Next, or there is one more way of analyzing this. Initially, I made it very easy, making all the transistors on. How many inputs are there actually? 5. Those 5 are complemented here. Okay. So basically, we can think there are 5 inputs. How many input combinations will be there? How many input combinations will be there? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All zeros. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Continue up to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 raised to 5. 32. 32 input combinations is now. You take any input. Okay. You take any input. You can write the truth table of this. You can write the truth table of this. So truth table will say A, B, C, C, E. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So on to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Voilà. Now you take the function. So what is function? Function is AB. Then it is B plus E. Then it is AB plus C into B plus E. Actually, the new function is easy and now implemented very well. So you do A into B. You do A into B. A into B 0. 0 like this. Then B plus C matrix. B plus C matrix 1, 1. So finally, in all you will get some answer for F. You will get some answer for F also. Okay? So whatever may be the answer, whatever may be the answer, the same thing can be analyzed here. Same truth table can be analyzed here. Okay. A into B. So here answer is 0, 0, 0. So for this combination, we will get the answer as 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So what I am trying to say is, to take any combination, initially what combination we took? We took all zeros. All zeros we took. So by taking all zeros, we got the answer as 0. Because all the MOSFETs were into on. See, all the MOSFETs are on. When I take all zeros, all the MOSFETs are on. Okay, therefore, I get the answer F equals 0. So the function f is 0 as per the truth table also and as per our analysis also. So finally summary is that I was saying one more way of doing it. So one is truth table, one is circuit analysis, or you take all ones. Let us assume all the inputs are ones. Intermediate input ತಗೊಂಡು analyze ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎಲ್ಲ input one is like ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ zeros ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? See, ಎಲ್ಲ zeros ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ initially I had expected taking the example of all ones, ABCD all ones ಅಂತ explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ zeros ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು. So if all ABCD all are zeros, then these MOSFETs are off. What about this side? All are on. When all are on, and here all are off. If zero is connected to which point? This point. So F bar is 0. Okay. So F bar is 0. That is connected to this MOSFET. That F bar is connected to this MOSFET. And because I am getting 0 here, this MOSFET is on. Therefore, VDD is getting passed and F will be 1. Okay. Now you will get confused because ಎಲ್ಲ 0 is F 0. How do you know? Actually, our F is the equation. F under equation is AB plus C into D plus E whole bar. That is our F. Because it comes under CMOS logic. CMOS logic for whole bar compulsory integrate. That is our F. So F is AB plus C into D plus E whole bar. Other प्रकार मतलब we got the correct answer. So either summary ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. You have to look for where I am getting 0. Analysis part ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. Look for whether I am getting here 0, F0, F bar 0. When if I am getting F0, F bar will be 1 because PMOS will be other PMOS will be on. If I am getting F bar as 0, F will be 1. Okay. So all these circuits, this is an example is for AB plus C in D plus E whole bar. To take any example, and get any example, तो सर्किट functionality will be same.